this is the drum section, and it's a standard piano roll layout, so you can just click and create some drums where you want the drums to play. If you want to change the volume of the note that you're creating, you use the note volume slider down here. So with this, we can create some quiet hi-hats on the beat and some louder ones off the beat. So this is a drum pattern, and Thump has the capacity for 8 drum patterns in a song, and that's what this bottom bit is here on the bottom left. So to choose your pattern, you click on the number. So this is pattern 2, which is obviously empty, and we can fill it up by just typing in a new beat. So here's another beat, very simple one for the sake of example, and we can flip back to pattern 1, pattern 2. Now each pattern can be up to 4 bars long. This is 1 bar, so that's what this little section lets you do. If you drag from bar 1 to bar 2, that's going to elongate your pattern to 2 beats, 2 bars. As you can see, 1 is highlighted a little bit more, which is because that's the bar that we're editing. If we just tap on bar 2, then we can edit it. So we can put another drum beat in here, like so. So you can see the cursor's moving through that part, and then it's moving through this part. To make your bar go back to 1, you just rub on bar 1, and then the thing will snap, and you can stretch it out back to make it 2 bars long, and it's the beat that you typed in is still there.